You're not gonna go wrong with this device. This is a beautiful phone and a beautiful screen. I'm honestly serious. I've never praised a Chinese phone like this in my life. You know, for the price. What's up, guys? Tech Mentor here for you guys today. I'm gonna unbox this phone right here, UMIDIGI F1. The hype of this phone is too much. Even before it went on sale, you know, they really marketing this phone for the camera and for the software. I've used UMIDIGI in the past, so I'm not that impressed with their product, you know. But today, this might be a different thing. So let's open what we have in the package. Let's see. This is a smartwatch. Is it a smartwatch or a fitness tracker? I'm not sure. Sometimes they look alike these days, you know, you display time, and yeah, I think it's a smartwatch. Probably a free gift. Let's put this away. Now let's open the phone up. Let's see what we have on the phone. This is the phone right here, UMIDIGI F1. This phone is marketed so much before it went on sale. Like I said earlier, you know, the specification is clear at the back. You know, it's running Android 9.0, Android Pie. Wow, that's what they said. We're gonna see that if that's the truth. Let's open it up. So as you can see, I think it's running the same processor as the last one I reviewed. You can see on the screen. Yeah, if the camera can pick it, that's a 2 nano SIM card and 1 SIM card. 4 gig RAM, 128 gig. 128 gig is fine. 5050 milliamp battery. Chinese battery these days are not very great, so I wouldn't say 5050 milliamp battery is very good, but at least it's something. Don't let us start mocking the phone. Let's go straight into the unboxing, guys. So let's go straight right into the unboxing. Whoa, that's it. Thank you. That's what we greeted with. Thank you. Thank you too. All right. This is the smartphone. As you can see, right from the box, it came with a case. Fitted in from the box. Great. I like camera devices a lot. I mean, I like great camera on most devices, you know, especially most smartphones I've reviewed. I bought them because of camera. I hope I'm not gonna be disappointed with this phone, but let's see what is in the box. Let's nothing else, just the paperwork and the SIM ejector. Nothing else. Red USB Type-C cable to standard USB. The very fast charge adapter. Yeah, I believe it's fast charge, even if it's not raining on it. I believe it's fast charge. I think that's everything you get for this device. That's everything you're gonna be getting in case you want to buy this phone. Okay. This is the smartwatch. Oh, I love this. I thought it's gonna be like this, you know, the ribbon strap. Wow, I love this. This is metal. This is metal. I don't know if the camera can pick it. I love this, but I'm not sure if this is gonna crash. And it feels solid, you know. It feels solid. How do you put it on? I don't know. All right, I come back to this. Okay, so guys, this is the phone, the UMIDIGI F1, one of the most, I don't know, very marketed phone from China. Before this phone go on sale, I keep getting, because I follow them on Twitter every day, you know, every day. Then I was like, let me just buy this shit. Let's try it out. So guys, let me power the device, then I come back to you. All right, guys, the phone is booted. I put some application on there and I configure my Wi-Fi. Immediately I configure my Wi-Fi. This is what I'm getting, wireless update. I don't know, I'm not gonna update it now because I don't want something that's gonna take ages to complete. I don't know what's the size. I'm not gonna open it. So one thing I want to say about this phone This phone is super sleek. I mean, it's beautiful, very beautiful phone. I like the coating at the back, you know, it's matte coating. It's very nice feeling. But anyway, it's gonna be going into the case, so who cares? In case you're wondering the specification of this device, this phone has a 6.3 inches full HD display, full HD 6.3 inches, and the front-facing camera. Oh, look at that! I didn't even press nothing. That shows you how super quick the Face ID is. You know, I'm like 20 inches away from the phone. You know, very far, 20 inches away from the phone, and it still pick my face. These guys are stepping up their game. All these big brand better watch out. You know, the likes of Samsung and Apple, they better watch out. These guys are stepping up their game. You know, in case you're wondering what the front-facing camera is, it's 16 megapixel camera, and the back one, I don't know which is which. One is 16 and one is 8 megapixel with a very large aperture of 1.7. You know, 1.7 is very big aperture. That's for low light. That's very good. We're gonna try that. Maybe they're telling us the truth, maybe they're telling us fibs. We're gonna know very soon. So we're getting there. I'm gonna jump into the setting now. Let's see what we can get from the phone. Let's see what the phone can do for us. You know, let's just see. I should be able to jump to the settings from here. Okay, it's just there. Sorry, this is my first time I'm trying Android 9.0. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay, there's not even need to zoom in. I've already had my Google account, so this is the network. You know, that's it. I'm gonna try the Wi-Fi speed, the NFC. This phone support Android Pay, so we're gonna try the NFC. Let's see. Yeah, tap to pay. So if I turn it on, you know, yeah, you can see Android Pay. But I'm not gonna add my credit card for Chinese devices. No way. You know, I'm not gonna chance it. So that's the apps. Then the smart assistant. This is the smart assistant. I don't know what that means. Network manager button, so you can even hide the button. You know, the gestures, everything. You want to rearrange the button, slippery gestures, virtual button. You know, all these things. If you turn that off, see, you know what that means. So you have to slide from the bottom to bring the button up. Okay, so that's what it means. All right, so I'm gonna go back. Unfortunately, I have to go back to that buttons, and then yeah, virtual button. I need it. So that's it. Yeah, and app blocker if you want to block some application, which is pretty neat, you know. It's very good. Flip to mode, screen capture, swipe, sweep, or sweep, yeah. Okay, that's for QR code, you know. So this is all right. I like this device, and I like all the functions. The storage, you can see 128 gig, 11.58 gig use. I've only downloaded 4 applications, so I still have more space on the phone, you know. The Google account, the fingerprint, and the Face ID. You see, I've only put one fingerprint on the Face ID. Accessibility, Google preference, dual speed. What's dual speed? I don't know. If you want to speed up your application, I guess. I'm not really familiar with Chinese devices. The battery, yeah. How did I miss that? Intelligent power saving. I don't know what intelligent power saving does. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna kill some application. Phone has typically background usage. All right, so that's the bar in case you want to wonder how it does look like. So let's confirm if this is truly under 9.0. So I'm going to jump into this place. Come here. Where is the Android version? Yeah, this is Android 9.0. Yeah, that is what it means. So you can see 9.0 Android Pie. So guys, I think that's it about the settings. In case you're wondering anything, just let me know. I'm gonna turn off the NFC now because I don't need it. All right, so I'm gonna test the speed now. I want to test the speed of this device. You know, I want to see what this device can get when it comes to speed test. You know, so let's run the speed test now. Let's see what we're gonna be getting. Whoa, that is crazy, super fast. I don't know if you can pick down the screen. Look at that. That's 100 megabits per second, and the download speed, no, and the upload speed rather. The upload speed is gonna be like 6 or 5, probably 6 megabits per second. That's not bad for this kind of device. This phone is less than 200 pounds for crying out loud. You know, It's less than 200 pounds. Oh, these applications are still there. This reminds me of the first Windows device. This apps on in the background. How you have to swipe up. I think all these people are just recycling the set, all these features. You know, it reminds me of the Windows 8.1 on the mobile phone or Windows Mobile. You know, that's how Windows Mobile used to look in those days. So now I'm gonna run the Antutu now, test it. Alright guys, the Antutu finished, and you can see, I don't know how this costs. I used to say that, and it's true. I don't know how it does affect you, but for me, they are meaningless to me. I like to try the phone to its fullest to see what the phone can do. So let's see what we're gonna get for sound quality on YouTube. Just want to see how the screen will handle high-res 4K video, you know. Yeah, this is what I want to try out. You can see the notch. Still, it didn't really affect it. You know, I'm gonna move closer to the screen, or perhaps I should zoom in. It does look very crisp, clear. You know, with the viewing angle. You know, the black is black. You can see. I think the screen is all right, to be honest. I don't like reptiles, God. You know, I think the screen is all right. Very clear. You're not gonna go wrong with this device. This is a beautiful phone and a beautiful screen. I'm honestly serious. I've never praised a Chinese phone like this in my life. You know, for the price, you know, just seeing the viewing angle, see how there's a reflection, there's a light reflection there. See, this is crazy. So what I'm gonna be doing next is the camera, the moment of the truth, you know, how quality the camera is. I've not run the camera, I've not even opened it, I don't even know what it does look like. So let's jump straight into the camera now. Okay guys, let's test the camera. Let's see what we're gonna be getting for the camera quality. So on the camera interface, this is what you have. You have the video, you have the picture, you have the pro, which comprise of some functions, the exposure, the ISO, the warm fluorescent, you know, and you have the bokeh. You can just slide to get the bokeh. And on the settings here, what do we get? Scene mode. I want to see the scene mode. Auto. The scene mode is meant to be like to automatically detect your scene, and it will tell you if like something similar to AI, you know. And I think everyone is different. Okay, it's the same thing. It's just the okay, GPS location, capture sound, the flash. If you don't want it on, you turn it off. The HDR, we're gonna have HDR on. I want to take a picture of this toy and let's see how sharp it is. I believe I'm on picture. Okay, let's see. Wow, wow, wow. This is crisp, you know. I like this picture, you know. I like it. Let's see, let's go to bokeh. Let's see how he's gonna blur the background. I don't know, for some reason. Okay, yeah, let's see. I'm gonna move back a little bit. Did it blur the background? Yes, it did blur the background, but I can still see some noise behind it. which is not too bad. You know, this is not too bad for its price. I'm beginning to, I don't know, until I take an outdoor picture. You know, I don't know how I'm feeling about this picture. I like this toy because it's colorful. Let me bring some other toy to join this. Let's see how it can handle color variation. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it this way. I don't know if okay, I'm recording the screen anyway. Let's see. The background is still blurred. I think these people are giving us the solution to the problem eventually. You can see here, it's starting to blur the background from the edges. It's not perfect, but I think it's the best I've seen so far when it comes to Chinese mid-range devices. It's not perfect, don't get me wrong, but it's the best I've seen so far. You know, and I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this, you know, I'm gonna try more outdoor picture. I'm gonna be taking outdoor picture now. I'm gonna go outside and take an outdoor picture and I'll show you guys. You know, let's take this one again. Just look at the pictures on the screen for yourself. Just look at all the pictures. Look at it. Look at all the pictures. Yeah, look at this one. Look at this one too. You can't go wrong with this kind of device. I think the camera wowed me. No. This is one of the best I've seen in its price category. In fact, the best so far. Speaking to you right now, this is the best I've seen in its price. You know. Now look at these outdoor pictures. Look at these outdoor pictures. Look at them. You're not gonna go wrong with these. No, look at them. Look at it. Very beautiful scene. You know. So guys, with UMIDIGI F1, I think I'm more than happy with the device. To be honest with you, I think I'm more than happy. Just a quick test for everything. Nothing failed me. Everything was spot on. Beautiful device. I like the red color. And the functions, the operating system, the hardware, everything is to my satisfactory. So this device is a sure buy for me. Yes, it is a sure buy. And the watch, I finally figured out how to put it on. You know, I don't know, I was just feeding around here. I'm just sliding. As you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick it from there far. I'm just gonna zoom in. You know, just sliding at the bottom. You know, sliding, and that's what you get. I don't think he's a proper smartwatch. I think gone are those days where their phone used to be shit and rubbish, and now these are gonna be the game changer. Reasonable device and a reasonable price. That's all I can call it. But in its price category, this is the best phone I would recommend anybody to buy. Thank you guys for watching my video as usual, and I will see you when I'm making a video. Bye. God bless.